you looking for affordable beach resort 2 to 3 hours away from Manila? This is Panusutan Beach Resort. It has fine sand where you can swim. There's also part there that's a bit rocky, but there's part that's good for swimming. The sand is fine. No entrance fee. There's cottage amounting to 2,000 for day tour and 3,000 for overnight, good for 10 packs. Ecological fee of 30 pesos and 20 pesos for the CR only use. No entrance fee. So just pay your cottage and there you can have a beautiful view where you can relax and enjoy swimming. This is the place that we rented for a day tour amounting to 2,000 pesos. It has also bed where you can rest. Look at it. There. Not bad for 2,000 pesos and you can enjoy the view of the beach and relax.